putting videos together for the next 12 days. Because the next couple of weeks, we're going to be talking about Christmas stories, favorite recipes, and Christmas songs, and much more fun.
So every time you see us, just sit back, relax, and enjoy some Christmas cheer.
We will begin these videos December 12th, and you can find them on our Facebook page, The Joy Group, or on the website, SharonJoy.org. Or I even have a podcast called Sharon Care Time that you can find the audio.
We will also share it through the email, so make sure you go to the website and sign up to receive the emails.
You're not going to want to miss any of our Christmas cheer days. We'll see you really soon. Bye!